Okay, let's talk about the bedroom flooring. You're going to measure using mixed fractions of feet. If it's an exact foot, like 9 feet, add at least an inch, so it's a mixed number. I suggest adding 6 inches, 9.5 feet. If the room is a complex shape, you can just measure the main rectangle. You can ignore things like closets, windows, doors, but you don't have to. So let's say this is your room, and you've measured the flooring with the tape measure, and it's 8 feet by let's say 9 feet, 3 inches. Okay, so now floor area over here, right, is a mixed fraction, length and width. It doesn't matter which you say is the length, which is the width. 9 feet, 3 inches, so it's 9 and 3/12. 9 and 3/12 is the same as 9 and 1/4. Okay, 8 feet, we can't do just 8 feet, so I'm going to say 8.5 feet. Okay, there we got that first part done. The area in square feet. Okay, so I have room on the next worksheet that you could work it out. It does say you can show organized work labeled off to the side, so I'm going to do that. Just going to call this area. We're doing 9 and 1/4 times 8.5. First thing you got to do is you got to change two mixed numbers. You can't just multiply whole numbers and fractions. So change them to improper. Okay. 37/4 and 17/2. So we have to see if we can simplify first. Unfortunately, we cannot. So we're going to have to do 37 times 17. I got to show that work too. Can't just leave that off. So show how you did that work off to the side. 629 over 8. Okay, so now I got to change that back to an improper fraction. So I'm going to show 8 goes into 629. Divide, multiply, and subtract. Bring it on down, bring it on back. Divide, multiply, and subtract. Bring it on down, bring it on back. Divide, multiply, and subtract. So it's 78 and 5/8. Now is the time I could check this with my calculator. Okay, or I can just see, okay, I know 9 times 8 is 72, and I know it's going to be bigger than that. Not as big as 9 times 9, probably, 81. So 78 and 5/8 makes sense. Okay, so what area do I need to buy? Well, I can't just buy 78. That wouldn't be a 9. Enough. I'm going to buy 79 square feet. Okay, so now I've gone to the Menards website, and I'm going to buy some carpet from there, some weak carpet for, let's say it's $2.99 a square foot. It's never going to just be like a nice number like 3. $2.99 a square foot. Okay, so the flooring cost. So the area I need to buy, which is 79, times the cost per square foot, $2.99. So now I got a big old number. I'm going to put the $2.99 on top. And remember, when we multiply decimals, we don't line them up. We ignore them till the end. Okay, so first I'm going to do 9 times 299. Oh, I messed up there. Okay, so I'm going to work my way through each step. And this will be a good one to check with the calculator at the end. So I come up with this number 23,621, and then I look at how many decimals are in my factors, 2. So I move it over 2. So my answer should be $236.21. I would check that with the calculator to make sure. I can also see that my cost is close to $3 and my square foot's close to 80. So 3 times 80 is 240. It should be close to 240. Yeah, that sure is. Okay, sales tax now. We're going to do the flooring cost times 0.07, 7/100. Okay, so I'll show the work off here to the side in green, 236.21 times 0.07. Here my decimals do line up. That won't be the case very often. And I know my handwriting is very sloppy with this Apple Pencil. Apologize for that. Okay, and then I need to see how many decimals are in my factors. It's not just 2. It's 2 on that one and 2 on that one, so I need to move the decimal over 4 spots. So it's really 16.5347. And I do have to round to the nearest hundredth. So the 4 bosses it and makes it go down. So it's just $16.53. I got to make sure that makes sense. Okay, it's $7 per $100. So in $200 it'd be $14. 300 would be $21. Yeah, that fits right in that category. Okay, now my total flooring cost plus the sales tax. So now I need to line my decimals out. $236.21 plus $16.53. So I have $252.74. Doesn't make sense that my carpet costs $252.74. Sure it does. You can see I do have area down below that you could work this out. If you work it out kind of organized like I did, that's fine off to the side here too. All right, that is how you do this bedroom flooring worksheet worth 10 points. So make sure you do it well, make sure you do it right. Check your work with the calculator.